Hey guys, Mike, Connecticut Auto Lock. I'm inside a 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer. This car has a keyed ignition. There are currently no keys for it. It's a repossession, so we're starting from scratch. I decoded the door lock and cut this key. It turns in the ignition, and as you can see, it is not programmed. So we're going to connect to the immobilizer. Switch ignition on. We just did. We always check our keys programmed first, or I always like to. Then you'll know, you can see in the end if you, we're going to only program this one in. So as long as that count changes down to 1, we're good. We'll go to program keys. All keys will be erased. This is not a twist system. Program keys success. Okay. Do you have to program the next key? No. Key programming successful. Procedure complete. So now, even though it says successful, sometimes it won't be. Ooh, it was though, because now we can see that our key count went down to 1. So it erases all keys, and as long as you check that key count at the end, if it still said 2, a lot of times this tester will say success, even though it wasn't. But in this case, we're good. So we'll turn this off, switch it back on, and we've got a running car. 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer.